Hey, welcome to the morning brief. Today's Friday, February 20th. What's going on in the news from forexfactory.com? At 8:30 this morning, we had advanced GDP quarter on quarter at 1.4%. This is way less than the expected 2.8% and way less than the previous of 4.4. This is just not good. Core PCE price index was up 0.4% versus an expectation of 0.3. And then last time it was only 0.2. Again, not good, signaling prices are going up. Advanced GDP index quarter on quarter, 3.6% versus 2.8. This is a good thing, but I have to say I'm very highly suspect of this number. Personal income month over month was 0.3% as expected. That is positive, so that's good. Personal spending, however, is at 0.4%, which means if your personal income is only at 0.3, growing at 0.3, but your personal spending is growing at 0.4, you can see where this is going. We're making less. We got less money coming in than we have going out. That's not a good thing. At 9:45, we have flash manufacturing PMI. We also have flash services PI, and we have a talking head. FOMC member Bostic is speaking at 10 a.m., new home sales, and the revised University of Michigan's consumer sentiment report, as well as the revised University of Michigan inflation expectations. And they're throwing in some old numbers, some numbers from November on new home sales. And then we have FOMC member Logan speaking at 12:45. Moving on to charts. We're gapping down currently. Where are we to go? We're just moving sideways. It is a very, very sideways, medium term, short term. Long term, we're still up. We are below the 2 moving averages. We are below the trend line. Yeah, so definitely these 2 lows are in play, which would be 67.99 or 6,800 on the bottom side. On the top side, I would say these moving averages and that high, 69.25. Volume, not particularly interesting, not particularly good. Looking at inventory was down on, price action was down on positive inventory. That is not correlated. So we've got positive inventory and we have price action going down. So this may be a buy the dip situation like we've talked about before. Maybe we'll have a couple of days to the upside. Who knows? Looking at the overnight action, we got approximately 53 points overnight. Where do we have intranight or intraday support and resistance? Resistance on the top side, we've got some at 69.11, 69.26, 69.36. I'm not going to go any higher than that. I just think we're going to go sideways all day. 68.46 on the bottom side for some support. 68.40, 68.2650, some confluence at 68.1175. Of course, the whole number 6,800. But it seems like we're between 6,800 and 7,000, and that's just the range that we're in. Stock Trader's Almanac for today, 33.3% chance the market will be up, which means we have a 67% chance the market will be down. Hope you have a great weekend, and I'll see you Monday. Remember to subscribe and like. Have a great day. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels and trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.